Pacework to be completed. English page RR03, page 16 until 17. Page 16. Black Hunt. Listen carefully. With your eyes, find the things Christy sees in the story as I read. Mama, what shall I do on this page in my new coloring book? Christy asked Mama. It says, color the nightingale nest black. Mama answered kindly. Then it says, you are to draw pictures of the other things that are black on the rest of the page. Christy colored the bird nest black and wondered, what other things are black? What else could I draw on this page? Why don't you go on a black hunt? Look around the house. See what you can find that is black, Christy, Mama suggested. Christy laughed and started to hunt. First, she looked in her neat, clean room. What was black? She looked in her closet. There were her shiny black shoes. Then, Christy went into the living room. There were music with black notes on the piano. In another room, there was a black Bible on the bed. Daddy had a black necktie hanging neatly on a hook. Mama had black yarn for her knitting needles. Christy hurried to look in the kitchen too. Mama's cooking pot had a black handle. Just then, Christy saw Patches. Why, Patches had black eyes too. Christy had found lots of pretty black things to draw in her new coloring book. Think, in Christy's new coloring book, what did she color first? What color did Christy make the bird nest? What pretty things did Christy find on her black hunt through the house? What three things on this page did Christy not find that day? With your black crayon, color only the black things Christy found. Page 17. Sandwich shapes. Listen carefully. You may make lunch for us today, Mama said. Big sister and little brothers clapped their hands. You may make peanut butter and honey sandwich for lunch. Yum yum, said little brother as he put the loaf of whole wheat bread on the table. Goody goody, said big sister as she carefully took the honey jar down from the cabinet. Little brother found the peanut butter too. He set the jar of peanut butter on the table between the loaf of bread and the jar of honey. Now they were all ready to make the sandwich. Between them, they would make a super good lunch. The happy children neatly spread the peanut butter on the bread. They made a smooth layer of honey. Then they put on the top slice of bread. We put the peanut butter and honey between the slice of bread, exclaimed little brother. Now I will cut our sandwich into smaller pieces, big sister told little brother. Big sister carefully held the knife between her thumb and fingers. Little brother watched closely. Big sister cut the sandwich. I see you have made 4 triangle sandwich and 4 square sandwich, said little brother. You made our lunch special and fun. Little brother helped big sister put the triangles and square on a plate. Lunch is ready, called the children. We did it all by ourselves. Think, in the picture, what is between the peanut butter jar and the honey jar? What did big sister and little brother put between the slice of whole wheat bread? What shapes did big sister make when she cut the sandwich? into little pieces? How many triangles did Big Sister cut? How many squares did Big Sisters cut? With your black marker, connect the dots that cut the sandwich into little pieces. Pacework to be completed. Science page RR03, page 10 until 11. Page 10. Snow. Listen carefully. Brrr, brrr, brrr. The wind is cold. It is blowing hard from the north. As the wind blows, it blows the dark gray cloud across the sky. Soft white snowflakes are whirling and blowing and piling on the houses and trees and fences. This is a snowstorm. In winter, it may snow and snow for days. The snow may get very deep. Snowflakes stick to everything. They put pretty snow lace on all the trees. Snowflakes put little round snow cups on all the fence posts. Snow covers the ground like a big blanket. Children love to roll snow into big balls and build a snowman. Have you ever made a snowman? It is fun to run and play and slide in the soft fluffy snow on a cold winter day. With your black marker, draw a snowman beside the tree on the right side of the page. Add a few more pretty snowflakes too. Page 11. Ice. Listen carefully. Winter time is a very cold time in the most places. Sometimes the air gets so cold outside that water freezes and turns into ice. When falling rain freezes, it makes ice on everything. It is beautiful but slippery. Be careful when you walk in winter. You may slip and fall down. Ponds and lakes freeze too. Christy loves to go ice skating with her daddy on a frozen pond. Do you like to ice skate? AC likes to go sledding down a hill on the ice and snow with his daddy. Do you like to ride on a sled? With your black marker, draw a line up the path Daddy and AC will follow to get to the top of the hill to go sledding. With your black marker, draw a line up the path Daddy and Christy will follow to get to the frozen pond to go skating on ice. Pacework to be completed. Social Studies page RR03, page 19. Bible verse. Listen carefully. I want to do it. I will do it, Christy said quietly as she sat down in the back seat of the car, wearing her seatbelt. What did you say, Christy? Asked Daddy as the car slowed down at the corner. I'm going to learn all my Bible verses at school this year, Daddy. I want to learn them, and I will learn them, Christy answered. Miss Conton said that learning Bible verses help us to do what God wants us to do. Miss Conton is right, Christy, agreed Daddy. When we learn a verse, it is always in our heart to help us know what is right. Do you know what else? Asked Mama as she listened to Daddy and Christy talk. There are other things the Bible verse will do for us too. What do you mean, Mama? Christy asked eagerly. Well, the Bible is called the bread of life. The Bible is sometimes called milk, water, or light, Mama said. These are all things that help us every day. Right, Daddy added. Bread and milk are foods that make us strong. I see, said Christy thoughtfully. Learning Bible verse will make a stronger Christian. Yes, Daddy went on, and water help us to stay clean and healthy. Bible verse help our hearts and lives keep clean for God. We know that light help us see in dark places and keep us from falling, said Mama. Bible verse show us how to walk without falling into sin. My, Christy laughed. Now I know why I want to learn all my Bible verses at school this year. With your black marker, draw lines to connect the dots when I tell you to do. Bible verses are like milk and bread to us because they help us to grow into a strong Christian. Draw a line to connect the milk dot and the bread dot. Bible verses are like water because they help us to keep our hearts and life clean. Draw a line from the bread dot to the water dot. Bible verses are like light because they show us how to walk without falling into sin. Draw a line from the water to the light. What is the name of God's book with verses which are like milk, bread, water, and light to us? Color the cover of the Bible black.